and this is something that I've been noticing from speaking to a lot of people, and what I'm noticing in trends as well, is that at the present moment in time, the direct bookings are coming in. They are on the back of an inquiry. So 10, 15, 20 years ago, before Booking.com, Airbnb, Expedia, everybody who had a business back then, you will know that every single listing site had a phone number on it or had an email inquiry. There was no instant book, because 10, 15, 20 years ago, what you'll notice is that people wanted to ask a question before booking. Obviously, instant book changed that, and it went through a time where everybody was just instant booking, wherever that may be. But what we're noticing, and I've noticed this from speaking to quite a few people over the course of the last week, and not only that, but looking at trends that are going around, and this could be for a number of reasons. Nobody's actually dug into why, but you can just maybe draw your own conclusions. I mean, you're speaking to the guests, you know what the questions are coming in. But ever since the pandemic, people are much more likely to ask a question before booking. There was a stat going around about 2017, 2018, 2019, where it was 76% of people will want to ask a question at the point of booking. So this is where I want to give a little bit of a quick win for everybody. And this is something that we're doing at Boostly moving forward, is install or add in a live chat or a WhatsApp link to your website. So just to give you a quick example of what one looks like, so I've got one up on the screen. We've got Luke Stays here. You can see Luke Stays. You can see in the bottom right-hand corner, it's got the live chat option. And as well, he's taken it one step further. You've got the WhatsApp link here. You've got emails. You've got phone calls. So, as you scroll down, it's sticky. It stays there. It shows that it's there. So if any time there's a question, they want to go there. It could be a number of reasons why, but the main thing to do is to go and get yourself a live chat added in. Now, the beauty of having a WordPress Boostly website is that it's so simple and easy to do, easier than any other form of software that's out there. So Twawk is one that's recommended, TAWK.TO. You can also as well go and grab plugins for WhatsApp button. Again, super simple to do. You've got social chat plugin, which is right there. And again, you can add these into your WhatsApp site. Moving forward, all Boostly websites are going to have this installed, which is good. But if you're currently got a Boostly website and you haven't got a live chat, it's free and they're simple to add in. Just go to twawk.to. You got to sign up. You'll get a little plugin. And what we'll do on the back end is that we'll show you how to install the plugin. I mean, it's super simple. We'll get some up in the group. But Boostly Academy people, again, go and get something like this, because it will be much beneficial to you in the short, medium, and long term. Again, the whole point of this group and the whole point of you being here is that I try and keep you ahead of the game. This is something that we're noticing massively. This is where I throw the conversation over to you in the comments. Are you noticing this as well? Are you noticing that more people are wanting to call, wanting to ask a question? Or even as a WhatsApp or a live chat, etc. Now, you may be thinking, well, this is a little bit extra work. But I think you'd much rather get ahead of this now and get this sorted now than have to basically lose the booking or then go back to the OTA to do the actual booking. I mean, obviously you're still going to need the direct booking aspect on your website, because after you've had the chat with them and say, right, we'll go to this link, make the payment, make the booking, etc., etc. And in the medium to long term, how can you look to maybe automatize this? Or is this something that you're going to have to hire for, get somebody in to be able to answer these questions? This is some really good food for thought, but make sure you're ahead of the game. Make sure you get a live chat feature on your website, whether it's Twawk, whether it's just a WhatsApp button, whatever you're going to do. And if you've already got this set up, leave those examples in the comments below.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.